Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a good breakfast while we learn Spanish. This is a milk carton. Milk in Spanish is leche. Milk is produced by cows. Cow in Spanish is said vaca. Now we draw a cup of tea. Cup in Spanish is TAZA. Now we draw a croissant. We draw an apple, which in Spanish is manzana. We draw a fried egg. Egg in Spanish is huevo. Now we draw the bacon. That is said bacon. We draw a boiled egg, which in Spanish is huevo cocido. Now we draw a sausage. We draw a toast with butter. Butter in Spanish is MANTEQUILLA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say sausage in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use light brown, which in Spanish is marrón claro. Let's go with the brown. That is said marrón. Now we use red, which in Spanish is rojo. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's go with the blue color. That is said azul. Come on guys, it's looking very good. We use purple. That in Spanish is said morado. Let's see if you know the answer. Sausage in Spanish is salchicha. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.